Are you looking for the best wood planers? In this video we will look at some of the best wood planers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DEWALT Benchtop Planer. The DEWALT Benchtop Planer is a powerful and efficient woodworking tool designed to handle larger and deeper cuts in hardwoods. Equipped with a robust 15-amp, 20,000 RPM motor, this planer is capable of tackling tough materials with ease. One of the standout features of this planer is its 3-knife cutter head, operating at a speed of 10,000 RPM, which provides an impressive 96 cuts per inch. This results in one of the finest finishes among portable planers, making it a great choice for achieving smooth and professional-looking surfaces on your woodwork projects. The DEWALT Benchtop Planer incorporates disposable, reversible knives, offering 30% more knife life compared to standard knives. Additionally, the quick and easy knife change mechanism ensures minimal downtime, allowing you to focus on your woodworking tasks efficiently. Number 2. Makita 2012 NB. The Makita 2012 NB is a highly regarded planer designed to cater to the needs of professionals and hobbyists alike. One of its standout features is its compact and lightweight design, making it incredibly easy to transport to different job sites. This portability allows users to take the planer wherever it's needed without much hassle. The machine is engineered to offer faster and easier blade changes, which can significantly improve productivity and reduce downtime during work. This feature is particularly useful for professionals who require frequent blade replacements or adjustments. One key benefit of the Makita 2012 NB is its low noise level, operating at only 83 decibels. This lower noise output enhances operator comfort during extended periods of use, reducing fatigue and potentially limiting noise-related health risks. Number 3. POWERTEC Hand Planer. The POWERTEC Hand Planer is a powerful and efficient tool designed for smooth cutting in hard materials. It is equipped with a heavy-duty 6-amp motor, allowing it to handle demanding tasks with ease. The high RPM of up to 16,500 enables fast material removal, making it suitable for various woodworking projects. One significant advantage of this hand planer is its ability to keep the work area clean. It comes with an attachable dust extractor bag that can be positioned on either side of the tool, effectively collecting wood shavings and dust during operation, ensuring a tidy workspace and reducing cleanup time. The hand planer also offers enhanced depth control, thanks to its overmold depth knob with 10 positive steps. These multiple depth settings enable the user to achieve precise and consistent depths during planing, enhancing the overall control and finish quality of the workpiece. Number 4. CRAFTSMAN Planer. The CRAFTSMAN Planer is a powerful and efficient woodworking tool designed for both hard and soft wood material removal. With its 15-amp motor, it provides ample power to handle various types of wood, making it suitable for a wide range of projects. One of the standout features of this planer is its ability to achieve maximum stock removal, thanks to the POWERTEC cutterhead drive. This design allows for aggressive material removal, making it a great choice for tackling large projects or removing material quickly. In terms of operation, the CRAFTSMAN Planer ensures smooth performance and longevity. It is equipped with a 2-knife, quick change, solid steel cutter head mounted on ball bearings, which guarantees smooth operation. The use of ball bearings helps reduce friction, resulting in improved efficiency and reduced wear over time. Number 5. POWERTEC PL1252. The POWERTEC PL1252 is a portable thickness planer designed to be a reliable and essential tool for both professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. Its main function is to repurpose wood, including old, weathered, and worn wood, and give it an exceptionally smooth finish. With its powerful features and capabilities, it is a workhorse that can handle a wide range of woodworking projects. One of the standout features of the PL1252 is its heavy-duty, anti-wobble base, which ensures stability during operation and provides a non-marring surface when placed on a benchtop. This sturdy base allows the planer to support various boards up to 12.5 inches wide and 6 inches thick, accommodating a wide range of woodworking materials. The planer is equipped with a robust 15-amp motor, which, when combined with the innovative 2-blade cutting system, enables it to make deep cuts even in hardwoods like raw oak, pallet wood, and walnut lumber. This capability makes it a versatile tool for handling different types of wood, including challenging materials that other planers might struggle with.